Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for public university in Spain. First, understand the general admission process for international students, as requirements vary based on your country of origin and academic background. Public universities in Spain are selective, so knowing the specific steps is crucial for a successful application. We'll cover everything you need to know to navigate this exciting journey. Next, let's discuss the essential documents and exams. Non-EU students typically need their high school diploma officially recognized through a process called homologation, obtained from a Spanish embassy. EU students can often apply via UNE-DASIS for grade accreditation. Additionally, many programs require a B1 or B2 Spanish language certificate, such as DELE or SEAL, to demonstrate proficiency. Now, let's navigate the application process. Pre-registration is a mandatory step, often opening between February and March, with deadlines typically in June or July. The EBAU, also known as the Selectividad exam, may be required, especially for public universities, to assess your academic readiness. You'll submit your application online, often prioritizing up to 12 programs across different universities. Finally, here are some important tips and next steps. Application deadlines vary significantly by university and program. Fall intake deadlines are often in June or September, so check specific dates. Prepare for your student visa early, especially if you are a non-EU student, as this process can take several months. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Once accepted, you'll receive your admission letter, a crucial document for your visa application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.